If you guys want to know how to maintain this style, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the love I received on this hairstyle on Sunday, Mother's Day. Thank you. I appreciate all the love. But I went and I did a how to revamp your style, because normally I'll just do styles and you won't see how I, sleep or how it looks when I wake up. So I did that portion. So now it's the portion for me to do when I'm getting ready for bed. Now, yes, I don't have sides. They're shaved, and my little leave out is acting crazy. It's raining in New York, so my hair is like really not cooperating with me today, but it's okay. It still looks bomb. But with that being said, it's not every day that I can or have the time or want to deal with me recurling it. Just too simple. I did 4 curls. 1, 2, 1, 2. I split it in 4 sections since the hair is already trained, but not every morning I want to do that. So in order for me not to have to do that every morning, I have to prep my hair properly. So what I would do to prep my hair is I would get my wrap strip. It's kind of annoying to sleep in because it makes all that noise, but it's okay. But my first step is to rewrap my sides with this wrapping strip. Now normally when I'm styling it, I'll leave it like this. I find that if I pull it up and let it sit on my leave out, it will assist in my hair being tame and smooth, and we don't have time to mess with any flat irons in the morning, and all that heat isn't good for your hair anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tuck this in, and I'm going to leave the mesh wrap on my sides, but I want this wrap strip, I forgot the name, I want the wrap strip to be on my leave out, and I'm going to tie this. Normally I'll tie it and I'll just add one of these clips because this is super big for my head, so it does not leave my sides tight. You got to fix your ears. So this is how I sleep. If you wanted to, you can pull this down a little bit. Just so that all the hair is in. So now all we have to do is worry about this. So what I do, and I don't want to sleep with 200 of these little pins in my hair, what I'll probably do is I'll probably grab maybe a few of these. So I only have 3 in front of me right now. So let me grab some more and I'll be right back. I went and I grabbed some more of these. I think these are like 200, but I have some on my straight hair frontal unit. I have a straight one I never use. So the curls are still in there. So I think those curls will be set for life. I'm looking at it like I'm gonna wear you, but I can't let y'all see. So with that being said, I'm just gonna grab a few. So what I do is I try to make 3 sections. In my morning routine, I showed you 2 sections and I split those 2 into 2. So I had 4 individual curls and I pinned it, went about my day. If you were to do makeup and all that other stuff, that's when you were able to do that. So as the curls are cooling and setting, you can do something else. I like to do something while I'm doing something else. If I'm cooking, I'm folding clothes, editing, posting on Instagram. I always have to be doing something. I just don't want to be idle. So yeah, but this time we're going to section it into 3 parts. And those 3 will be sectioned off into 2. So that will, alleviate all of those pins. I didn't mind sleeping with the pins, but, it is what it is. So basically, I'm just going to try to section it off evenly. So yeah, I think I told this will be my first section. because it depends. Oh no, I grabbed too much hair. I grabbed too much hair. Okay, so I'm trying to show. Okay, so this is how much the first section will be. So you want to pin away the other section so that it doesn't get caught up in there. And I find that if you comb it out, it'll lay smoother. Because before, girl, let me tell you, before I got into before I really started to do my short hair, I really didn't care. I would just do it and be like, why does it look like that? Because you didn't comb it. So when you're pin curling it on your finger, it's not laying right. So yeah. So that's another tip too. If you don't want to put too much heat on your hair, say this was your natural hair and you cut it into the style, you don't have to put heat on your hair like that. So what I do is I'll just section the two and I'll just wrap it. Ooh. Section it, grab it, pull it in. So wrap it around. And this is the end of the hair. So the end of the hair is in the two. Pull it in the curl. Take your pin. Take your pin and pin it. So you have a pin here. Now if you were doing the style going back, you would just pin it going back. I find that using the pins and starting with the back of my hair, I used to start in the front and it'd be like a hot mess. So yeah, you just got to start in the back. So you pin curl it, you pull the curl in, and then you'll just pin it on the opposite side. So it's not going to be perfect, obviously, because I didn't even pin. Where did I pin this? So see, I'm not perfect. Thank God I know how to do my own hair. So yeah, you're going to pin it. The trick is pinning it on both sides. So that's what I'm going to do. See? Come on. So we're going to get it. You're going to pin it on both sides. So you're going to, each curl will get 2 pins to make sure that it stays. So I pinned it on each side so you see it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. So we're just going to do that with this side. Remember, we did not curl the hair. Well, we curled it earlier in the day. So there's no need to keep putting heat on your hair. So the curls should have lasted. If not, it should be some form of curl. And we're just gonna go like this. And we're gonna pin it twice. I pinned the inside curl first because that's the first part to go. I find if I do the outside, the inside will fall or something. So yeah. So we have 2 curls down. And I'm just going to do the rest of the hair.
I
So as you can see, I did 3 rows, split them into 2, pin curled, pinned on each side each curl. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pins in my head. And this is how you would sleep if you did not want to flat iron or curl or have a fuss in the morning. Normally with me, I still have to touch up my sides because I really cut them down low, so there's like no hair to train. So every morning I'm gonna have to add a little Nairobi, tie it, brush it, and I'll be out the door. But yeah, it's so simple to keep this hairstyle. I just wanted to just elaborate on the styles. I just don't want to show styles and you don't know how to maintain it. You don't know how to fix it if you feel like you messed it up or it got messed up. I don't want you to ever feel like, well, what would she do? So each style I will do, I will show you what I do in the morning to revamp it if I didn't tie it down at night, and then I'll show you my nighttime routine. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial on how I revamp and maintain my style at night, so that, you know, you could be slaying in the morning. Nobody has time like that. Like if you will wake up like this, you would get out the shower, boom, start your face, iron your clothes, get your tea, drink your coffee, take the pins out, fluff it with your nails, and keep it moving. But these styles, honestly, are easy. I'm thinking of my next style. My head is spinning, but I kind of think I know what I want to do. But I will show you better than I can tell you. But until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.